What the hell?
What is it? Are those sputes inside?
What?
I wonder if there's more of these things in the freezer.
Holy shit. There's a lost civilization in our refrigerator.
Uh-huh. This makes no sense.
You think?
That's clearly an early medieval city.
Yeah.
I mean, come on, everyone knows that woolly mammoths died out sometime in the late Neolithic period.
Damn. We only looked away like 10 minutes.
The time rate there must be different. Decades have gone by. It's the Industrial Revolution already.
Oh, we missed the Renaissance. I wonder if we're their gods.
Look at these two douchebags staring at us all day.
I don't know. I'm tired of looking at that broccoli in her